Today we will discuss about abrasive water jet machining, that is also known as AWGM. This is a non-traditional machining process. So abrasive water jet machining. So here we use the water approximate 70% and abrasives 30%. AWGM uses a low pressure of 4.2 bar to accelerate a large volume of water, that is 70% and the abrasive 30% mixture, up to a velocity of 30 meter per second. Silicon carbides and glass beads of grain size 10 to 150 micrometer are often used as abrasive materials. And using such method, first there is a control valve and variable mixture. In this mixture they are properly in a proportional, they are properly mixed, and when they are mixed, then this mixture that is coming out through the nozzle, this is the nozzle, and generally the material of the nozzle, that is a tungsten carbide, and its diameter is generally taken 0.45 mm, and generally if I am talking about the life of the nozzle, when it is made up of tungsten carbide, then its life is 12 to 30 hours. When it is made up of sapphire, that is life of nozzle, that is 300 hours. So generally tolerance is provided plus minus 0.05 mm. So this is the workpiece. So this is the workpiece on which we need to make the machining and removing the material. So this is the mixture of the water plus abrasives that is coming out from the nozzle with a high velocity in the form of a jet, and when it is continuously starts to coming out and strike on the surface of the workpiece, so after some time it remove the material from the workpiece, and as we can say here, the workpiece material is removed, and using such method, bars of 0.35 mm height and 0.02 mm width left in steel component after grinding are removed by the erosive effect of the abrasive, while water act as an abrasive carrier that dampens its impact effect on the surface, and the introduction of the compressed air to the water jet enhances the deburring action. And as we know, the water jet machining is suitable for cutting plastic, food, automotive, carpeting and headliners, rubber insulation and most textiles. Subscribe to get more updates, and Universe 22. You may like, share and comment. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.